There is breaking news for Novo Nordisk today that could be an absolute game changer for Novo Nordisk and for the future of obesity medicine. You haven't heard this one yet. This is just dropping today. Stay tuned. You got to stick with me on this one. Up until today, CagriSema, which is in phase 3 clinical trials, had to be delivered to patients in a special dual-chambered pen. Why is this? Well, when you combine caglarinotide and semaglutide, which are two different molecules, into one formulation, they don't both stay stable. This requires each molecule to be held in dual chambers in order to stay stable. Until this dropped today, a phase 1 clinical trial testing two formulations of CagriSema. In this trial, this study will compare the blood levels of caglarinotide and semaglutide when the same dose is given in two different versions of CagriSema. CagriSema again combines caglarinotide and semaglutide. It's still being tested in studies and is not yet available for doctors to prescribe. Participants will get an injection of each with each of the two versions of CagriSema at two different times at the clinic. This would seem to indicate that Novo Nordisk, who previously telegraphed that they had been working on a singular formulation of CagriSema, is closer than we thought. So what are the implications? Well, the implications are just this. When we talk about scaling CagriSema to meet demand, and CagriSema will exceed the current medications on the market in terms of weight loss, this could potentially mean that they could just use the same pen as they use for Ozempic, which means that they could scale this baby out in a dramatic way compared to what they would have to do if they needed a dual-chambered injector pen. Great day for Novo Nordisk. Great day for accessibility.